Hello, how are you? You are Jack.
Yes.
Yes, remember me.
Yes, I remember you.
Good. Are you excited for today's lesson? Okay, Jack, do you remember what we did last time? Did we learn about stationery and staplers and pens and folders?
Yes.
You remember? Good. So today we're going to carry on with that lesson. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me if you see this. Oh, hold on. It's not going to share the audio. Okay, can you see what's on the screen?
Yes.
Good. Okay.
Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello, nice to see you, everyone. Hello to you, hello to you, hello to you, hello to me. Hello, nice to see you, everyone.
Okay. So, quick answer. So now you got to answer quickly. Let's see how much you remember from our last lesson. You ready? Jack, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, good. What is this? Can you remember what that is?
It's a folder.
Folder. Yes, well done. What is this?
This is a lunchbox.
Yes, well done. And this?
It's a water bottle.
Yes. Good at this. What is this?
Dictionary.
Yes, dictionary. And this?
Compass.
Calculator.
Calculator.
Yes. And what is this?
It's a calculator.
No, this red thing. Is it a pen or is it a stapler?
Paper.
Stapler, yes, well done. Okay, today we are going to learn about the things you use when you make art. So, art supplies. Let's see what they've got for us. Okay, so I'm gonna play the audio for you. Can you please tell me if you can hear the words?
Page 74.
Can you
Lesson
hear?
2. Art supplies. A. Listen, point, and say. 1.
Magazine.
2.
Poster.
3.
Pencil sharpener.
4.
Paintbrush.
5.
Glue stick.
6.
Scissors.
Okay. Did you hear what they called everything? Okay. What is this?
A square.
No, this is a magazine.
A square is in front of the pictures, so I don't see the pictures.
what square is in front of the pictures? The video, the screen.
The blue square.
Okay. We timed out there. Can you still hear me, Jack?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, let's try again. Okay, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. I just want to make sure that you're going to be able to hear what's on the screen. Okay, you can see the screen now. Okay, can you see the pictures now, Jack?
Yes, I can see. Okay.
Okay, so you want me to play the sound for you again? So you can hear what they called everything.
I don't see a picture number 3.
Number 3. Okay. Can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay. So the video block was in the way. Okay. I'll play the sound for you again so you can hear what they call it.
Page 74. Lesson 2. Art supplies. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Magazine.
2,
Poster.
3,
Pencil sharpener.
4,
Paintbrush.
5,
Glue stick.
6,
Scissors.
Okay. Did you hear what they called all of these?
Yes.
Okay. What is this one?
I don't remember.
Okay. Say it with me. Magazine.
Magazine.
Magazine. Yes. This one? Poster.
Poster.
Yes. This one?
Is
Pencil sharpener.
pencil sharpeners.
Yes. This one?
Is paintbrush.
Yes. This one?
Is glue. Oh,
Yes, it's glue, but they call it a glue stick.
glue stick.
Yes. And this?
Is laser.
Scissors.
Scissors.
Yes, scissors. Okay. So now, let me make this go away so that you can see the pictures. Okay. Wait, I can't make that
The
go away.
square is speaking.
Yes, I'm moving it so that you can see the screen. Okay. Can you see most of the pictures?
Okay.
Okay. So which one is the paintbrush? Is it number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, or number? Yes, well done. Which one is the scissors? Yes. Which one is the magazine? Yes. Which one is the glue stick? Yes. Which one is the pencil sharpener? Yes. And which one is the poster? Well done. See, the red lines are all your right answers. Yay. Okay, let us get rid of those lines quickly. Okay. There is or there are. So you're working on your grammar. Okay. Grammar is the way that you put a sentence together that makes sense. So there is plus a and the, or there is not plus a and the, any, and whatever your object is. Is there, this is your question, any and your object. So an example is, there is an apple on the table. There isn't any ruler on the table. Is there any pencil on the table? So we're going to do it in a way that there is something there, there isn't something there, and then we're going to ask a question. You understand? Okay. So here's the next one. Let me move that over here for you so you can see what's over here. There is some, and then the object. There is not plus any plus the object. Is there any plus the object? So is there some cheese on the table? That's your question. There is some cheese on the table, or there isn't any cheese on the table. Isn't is and not, just made shorter. You understand? Okay, well done. Let's practice here. Okay. There are. So there are is used when there is more than one. So you'll say there are, for example, bees in a hive, or there are fruits in a bowl. So it means if there's more than one. So here, there are 4 apples. There are not 5 apples. Question, are there 4 apples? Okay. And then here's a table for you to look at. This has got your plural nouns. So your regular nouns is like 1 car, 2 cars, and you add an S. If your noun ends in S, CH, SH, X, or Z, you add ES. So 1 bus will turn into 2 buses. You understanding, Jack?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Do you have any questions for me? No, no questions yet. Okay. If your noun ends in an F or an FE, you remove the F or the FE and you add VES. So leaf, like what's on a tree, those leaf, it will change to leaves. We don't say leaves, we say leaves. 1 wolf will be 2 wolves. One life will be 2 lives. But there is a little bit of an exception. So certain words, you can still add an S, even if it ends in an FE or an F. So roof will be roofs, just with an F and an S. It doesn't change to a VES. Little bit confusing, but you'll understand. If the word ends in a vowel, you add, or a vowel plus Y. Do you know what a vowel is? Jack, you know what a vowel is?
No.
No. Okay. A vowel is a E, I, O, U, and Y is also counted as a vowel. Okay. So you can see here we have AY, which is a vowel and a vowel. We have EY, which is a vowel and a vowel. So it'll be 1 day, 2 days. So if it's a vowel, we just add an S. If it ends in a consonant, we add IES. You remove the Y and add IES. So a city, the T is a consonant. Your consonants is all the other letters of the alphabet. Okay. You understand? It's a lot, I know. But we're going to practice and we're going to get it right, okay? I'm here to help you. So 1 city, 2 cities. 1 baby, 2 babies. Irregular nouns are words that change just a little bit. So 1 man will become men. 1 child will become children. And 1 foot becomes feet. There's no actual rule to teach you, unfortunately. So this you just have to try and learn. Okay. If it ends in a vowel and an O, you just add as S. So zoo will become zoos, radio becomes radios, stereo becomes stereos. This one's easy enough. If it ends in a consonant and a zero and a O, you add ES. So hero becomes heroes, ES. Echo, 2 echoes, ES. And then the ones that don't change, this is also a little bit hard, but you learn. 1 sheep is the same as 2 sheep. We don't change it to sheeps. 1 deer is the same as 2 deer. We don't change it to deers. But let's not go too far there. That you must just learn for homework, okay? Jack, will you learn that for homework for me? Jack, I can't hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now. Good. Okay. So there was or there were. Now, question, was there any bread left? Answer, yes, there was, or no, there wasn't. Were there any biscuits in the tin? Yes, there were. No, there weren't. Weren't is were and not, but instead of making it 2 words, they've made it 1 word with an apostrophe, which is this over here. That's called an apostrophe. I'll draw a circle around it for you. That is an apostrophe. Can you say apostrophe for me? Jack, can you say apostrophe for me? I can't hear you.
Can you speak again?
Okay. Apostrophe. Okay. Can you read the sentence for me? What does the sentence say?
What the is
Any
was there any break left? Yes, there was.
or
Or no, there was.
yes. So that is how you'll answer the question. If there's no more bread, no, there wasn't any bread left. If there is bread, yes, there was bread left. This one? Okay, Jack. Okay, can you read the other question for me? This one here.
Were there any books together in the tin?
Yes. Say biscuits.
Basket in the tin?
Yes.
Yes, there were. No, that don't.
Yes, well done. Now, choose true or false and correct the sentences. So, does this sentence make sense? You must tell me yes or no. Were there some posters on the sofa?
True.
No, it's false. The sentence should be, were there any posters on the sofa? So, some, this word over here, changes to any. Let's see the next one. Was there any pencil sharpeners on the table? Is this sentence right or is the sentence not right? Does it need to be fixed?
Two.
No. It should be false. You know why? Because was changes to were. Were there any pencil sharpeners on the table? Because it's past tense. So was changes to were. Past tense means it happened before. It's not happening now. Next one. Let me erase that for you. Okay. Were there any glue sticks on the bookcase? Does that sentence sound right or does that sentence sound wrong?
True.
True. Yes, well done. This one is true. Okay. I'm going to play the sound for you. You must listen and we'll see what we have to do. Okay.
Page 74. B. Listen and say. Then practice.
There were some magazines on the table. There weren't any magazines on the table. Magazines. Posters. Pencil sharpeners. paintbrushes, glue sticks, scissors, weren't, were not.
Okay.
1,
There were some magazines on the table.
2,
There weren't any posters on the table.
3,
There were some pencil sharpeners on the desk.
4,
There weren't any paintbrushes on the desk.
5,
There were some glue sticks on the chair.
6,
There weren't any scissors on the chair.
Okay. You want me to play that again because you're going to have to repeat what he said. Okay, so you must say the sentence and tell me where the things are in the picture. So there were some magazines on the table. There's the magazines. Or there weren't any posters on the table. You understand, Jack? Okay, good. So let's start. Can you say them for me?
Okay. There was some magazine on the table.
Yes.
There wasn't any poster on the table.
Yes, but Jack, it's a plural. Plural means more than one. So it's going to be posters with a S at the end, or magazines with an S at the end. You understand? So say magazines for me.
Magazines.
Yes. Say posters.
Posters.
Yes, well done. Okay, so now we do picture number 2. There were some pencil sharpeners on the desk.
There were some pencil sharpeners on the desk. There weren't any paintbrush on the desk.
Paintbrushes.
Paintbrushes.
Yes, because there is more than one. Okay, let's do this picture.
There were some glue sticks on the chair. There wasn't any.
Not wasn't. There weren't.
Wasn't.
Not wasn't. Weren't.
Weren't any scissors on the chair.
Yes, well done. Okay, I'm going to play this for you.
Page 75. See, listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
Were there any magazines on the table?
Yes, there were.
Were there any magazines on the table?
No, there weren't. 1,
Were there any magazines on the table?
Yes, there were.
2,
Were there any scissors on the computer?
No, there weren't.
3,
Were there any paintbrushes on the table?
Yes, there were.
4,
Were there any glue sticks on the chair?
No, there weren't.
5,
Were there any posters on the wall? Yes, there were.
6,
Were there any pencil sharpeners on the desk? Yes, there were.
Okay, you heard what they said. Yes, no, yes. Did you hear them, Jack?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Now I'll ask you the question and you must answer for me, okay? Were there any magazines on the table?
Yes, there were.
Yes. Were there any scissors on the computer?
No, there were.
Weren't. Were there any paintbrushes on the table?
Yes.
You must say it in a sentence for me, please,
Yes,
Jack.
there were.
Yes. Number 4. Were there any glue sticks on the chair? Does that look like a chair? No, doesn't look like a chair. So, what's the answer?
It's it's a bookcase.
Yes. So, were there any magazines on the chair?
No.
No, there weren't.
There were.
Yes. Are there any posters on the wall?
Yes, there were.
Yes. Was there any pencil sharpeners? Were there any pencil sharpeners on the desk?
Yes, there were.
Yes, well done. Okay, now this is a little song that they're going to play for you.
page 75, D.
Let's stop.
Sing. Were there any?
Were there any glue sticks on the bookshelf?
Yes, there were some glue sticks on the bookshelf.
Were there any glue sticks on the wall?
No, there weren't any glue sticks on the wall. They were on the bookshelf.
Were there any scissors on the desk?
Yes, there were some scissors on the desk.
Were there any scissors on the wall?
No, there weren't any scissors on the wall. They were on the desk.
Were there any paintbrushes on the table?
Yes, there were some paintbrushes on the table.
Were there any paintbrushes on the wall?
No, there weren't any paintbrushes on the wall. They were on the table.
Okay, so Jack, do you want to sing or do you want to talk?
I think.
You want to sing? Okay, sing it for me. Must I sing with you? Or you gonna sing? Okay, sing for me. Start. There, start. Were there any glue sticks on the bookshelf?
Yes, there were some good things on the bookshelf.
Were there any glue sticks on the wall?
No, there were any good things on the wall. There is on the bookshelf.
Yes, but weren't and they. Can you say they for me?
They.
Yes. Now we're going to change it to scissors and desk. Okay, let's do it. Were there any scissors on the desk?
Yes, there were some scissors on the desk.
Yes. Were there any scissors on the wall?
No, there any scissors on the floor. There they were on the desk.
Yes. But here you forgot weren't. You said no, there any. So no, there weren't any scissors on the wall. Okay, so now we're going to do paintbrushes. You ready? Were there any paintbrushes on the table?
Yes, there were some paintbrushes on the bookshelf.
No.
On the table.
Yes, it's okay. Were there any paintbrushes on the wall?
No, any.
No, remember that word? Start again.
No, there weren't any
This one.
paintbrushing on the wall. There is on the table.
No, read here, not they is. They were on the table. Say that again for me.
They were on the table.
Yes, all done. Okay. Now, I'm going to ask some questions and you must answer some questions. Were there any scissors on the table?
Yes, there were.
Okay. So what else do you have in your bedroom? Were there any fans in your bedroom?
Yes.
Yes. Were there any beds in your bedroom?
Yes.
You must say, yes, there were.
Yes, there were.
Yay. Oh, is that a pencil or a pen?
Yes.
Let me see again. Is that a pencil or a pen?
Wait.
Okay, I'll wait. Oh, pens. Okay. So were there any pens on the table?
No.
No, there weren't. Where's the pens?
In the desk.
In the desk. So you have a drawer. Okay, playtime. So now we're going to test your memory. So there's going to be let me move this so you can read it. There is going to be a picture and an unscrambled sentence. You must try and complete the sentence in 30 seconds. So we got a 30 seconds timer. Okay, so you must be fast. Are you ready? Let's show you. Okay, so now you must take this sentence and you must unscramble it so it makes sense. Okay. Can you do that for me?
Okay.
Okay, I'll help you with this one. I'll start the timer. Thereon were some paintbrushes, table, the. So how would you change the sentence? Like that.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So we did it. We did it in 10 seconds. Okay. So let me take that away. There is your answer over there for you. Now, this one. Can you do this one on your own? But because there's a cross, we're using were not. Okay. Are you ready? Can I start the timer? And go. All right, the timer is not moving. Okay. That's fine. How would you unscramble that sentence?
I tap.
You can try. Okay, so we're starting with there. What comes after there? Okay, I'm pointing at it for you. This word. Okay, I'll type it for you and we'll say it together. So there, what comes after there? What word here are we gonna put next? You see? Oh, they called it a bookcase. There we go.
But can I tap?
You can tap. You are more than welcome to tap. Okay. So fix that sentence for me. Tap it.
Okay.
I don't see it though. Where's your typing?
You wait for my answer.
Okay, I'll wait for your answer. Okay, you finished.
Yes, I finished.
Okay. Yes, well done. There were not any scissors on the bookcase. So you got it right. Okay, next one. Are you going to type again? Okay. Okay. Yes, that looks right. Let's see. There were some glue sticks on the desk. Well done. Okay, next one. And this one, can you do this one for me?
Okay.
You going okay there, Jack, or you need some help? There we go. There were not any magazines on the desk. Yes. Let's see what they say. And you're right. Well done. So who's the winner? Are you the winner? Did you get them all right? Yes, you got them all right. Okay, so now you have some homework that you need to do for me for our next lesson. You need to do your workbook, pages 74 and 75. You got the book?
Yes.
Okay, good. So we are finished.
Goodbye, 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 friends.
Okay, so do you have any questions for me? Do you have any questions for me, Jack? No, no questions. Got any questions? No. Okay. Bye, Jack. I'll see you. Bye-bye.